Did you know that over 95% of people who attempt crash diets end up regaining the lost weight? The struggle to lose weight fast is real, but what if there was a structured, protein-rich plan that could help you shed pounds effectively without starving yourself? Let's dive into the 700-calorie protein diet, a scientifically backed approach that could be your ultimate solution to rapid weight loss. Introduction: Can 700 calories a day help you lose weight? Losing weight quickly can feel like an uphill battle, especially when bombarded with fad diets that promise instant results but fail to deliver sustainable changes. The 700-calorie protein diet is designed to provide essential nutrients while keeping your calorie intake low, allowing your body to burn fat effectively. But how does it work, and is it right for you? Stay with us as we break it all down. The challenge: why most diets fail. Many weight loss enthusiasts struggle with maintaining a strict calorie deficit. Fad diets often lead to cravings, muscle loss, and extreme fatigue, making it impossible to stick to them long term. The real challenge is finding a diet that keeps you full, preserves muscle, and helps you burn fat efficiently. That's where the 700-calorie protein diet comes into play. The solution: what is the 700-calorie protein diet? This diet focuses on high-protein, nutrient-dense foods that help maintain muscle mass while promoting fat loss. Here's a quick breakdown of what your daily meal plan might look like. White heavy checkmark breakfast, 200 calories scrambled egg whites with spinach and a side of Greek yogurt. White heavy checkmark lunch, 250 calories grilled chicken breast with steamed vegetables and a light drizzle of olive oil. White heavy checkmark snack, 100 calories a handful of almonds or a protein smoothie. White heavy checkmark dinner, 150 calories cottage cheese with cucumber slices and a sprinkle of black pepper. How it works: the science behind the diet. Protein is known for its thermogenic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbs or fats. A protein-rich diet also helps suppress hunger hormones, making it easier to stick to your calorie deficit without feeling deprived. Success stories: real people, real results. Many individuals have successfully used this diet to achieve fast and effective weight loss. Here are a few testimonials. Anita, 34, I lost 5 kilograms in just 3 weeks without feeling weak or hungry. Raj, 40, this diet helped me get back in shape while maintaining muscle definition. I feel stronger and leaner. Neha, 28, unlike other diets, this one kept me full and satisfied. The results were amazing. Key takeaways: is this diet right for you? This diet is best suited for short-term rapid weight loss and should not be followed for extended periods without medical supervision. It works best when combined with light exercise and hydration. Consult a nutritionist or doctor before starting if you have any underlying health conditions. Call to action: your turn. Have you tried a high-protein, low-calorie diet before? Share your experience in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on healthy eating and fitness tips to transform your lifestyle naturally. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health content. Let's stay fit together.